Ya, baik saudara-saudara, jumpa lagi dengan Master of PowerPoint Indonesia. Kali ini kita akan menunjukkan konten dari paket soal 2 dari soal listening bahasa Inggris. Kita langsung saja ke slideshow. Show. Dan berikut play.
Number 1.
If I were you, I'd take the bus to school. Driving in that rush hour is terrible.
But by the time the bus gets to my stop, there aren't any seats left. What do we understand from the dialogue?
Oke, itu penampakan dari soal nomor 1. Lanjut. Show. Play.
Number 2. Mother, I have to go to school, but look at the sky. It's very cloudy. I think it's going to rain.
You should take an umbrella.
Who is talking?
Oke, itu soal nomor 2. Lanjut. Show. Play.
Number 3.
Here we are. Let's see the menu. There's a hot dog and hamburger. What do you prefer?
I would rather eat hot dog. Where does the conversation take place?
Iya, itu soal nomor 3. Lanjut. Show. Play.
Number 4.
Would you like some hot coffee or tea?
I like them both, but I'd rather have something cold. What does the man want to drink?
Oke, itu soal nomor 4, ya. Next. Show. Play.
Number 5. Can we meet at 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock?
I'm busy until 5 o'clock.
Let's meet after that. What do we learn from the dialogue?
Oke, itu soal nomor 5. Lanjut. Show.
Number 6. The International Students Association is having a party on Saturday night. Can you come?
I wish I could.
What does the woman mean?
Baik, itu audio dari soal nomor 6. Lanjut. Show. Ya, ini adalah bagian 2. Tipe soal 2. Play.
Number 7.
Your poem is so beautiful, everybody praises it.
A. I am sorry to hear it. B. I'm fine, thank you. C. I'm glad you like it. D. I'm interested in it.
Lanjut. Soal nomor 8. Show. Play.
Number 8.
Excuse me, I was in line here first.
A. Oh, I'm sorry. B. Really? C. Not again. D. I don't mind.
Oke, lanjut. Soal nomor 9.
Number 9.
Let's go to the cinema.
A. No, I don't mind. B. That sounds serious. C. You did? D. Sounds great.
Lanjut. Soal nomor 10. Show.
Number 10.
That's a beautiful bag.
I got it almost 2 years ago.
A. Oh, that's very bad. B. You did? C. Don't mention it. D. Right.
Oke, lanjut. Baik, ini adalah tipe soal 3, ya, berbasis teks. Show. Play.
Question 11.
For many years, people believed that the cleverest animal after man were the chimpanzees. Now, however, there is proof that dolphins may be even cleverer than these big apes. Although a dolphin lives in the sea, it is not a fish. It is a mammal. It is in many ways, therefore, like a human being. Dolphins have a simple language. They are able to talk to one another. It may be possible for man to learn how to talk to dolphins. But this will not be easy because dolphins cannot hear the kind of sound man can make. If man wants to talk to dolphins, therefore he will have to make a third language which both he and the dolphins can understand. Dolphins are also very friendly towards man. They often follow ships. There are many stories about dolphins guiding ships through difficult and dangerous waters.
Question.
Number 11. What is the topic of the text?
Okay. Lanjut.
Questions 12 and 13. Yayasan EDEP is seeking applicants for the following positions in Bali: Human Resource Coordinator, Project Manager, Assistant Manager. No experience is required. We will train new employees. For further information, please visit our website at www.depfoundation.org.
Question.
Number 12. If you need more information, how can you contact the company?
Okay. Next. Show. Teksnya masih sama, tidak perlu di-play. Langsung aja ke question.
Number 13. What does the company offer?
Okay. Next. Show. Play.
Questions 14 and 15.
Why don't you stay with us for the long weekend? From April 14th to 16th, the room package starts from 950,000 rupees for 2 nights, including breakfast for 2 adults plus 2 children under 12 years old. You will also get 10% discount on food and beverages.
Question.
Number 14. Who makes this advertisement?
Okay. Lanjut dengan soal yang terakhir. Show. Ya, teksnya masih sama, langsung ke question.
Number 15. What is being offered?
Okay. Ya, itulah konten dari paket soal 2 yang mudah-mudahan bermanfaat ya.